Hold on tight, coin enthusiasts. What if I told you that a single $50 from 1971 could be worth over $10,000? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's true. In this video, we're diving into one of the most valuable and rarest Kennedy $50 errors, the 1971 D. Kennedy $50. Some of these coins have fetched jaw-dropping amounts at auctions, and there's a chance you could have one hiding in your collection, or even your pocket. Stick with me until the end because we're going to uncover the history, the errors, and the massive value of this extraordinary coin. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to spot it, so you don't miss out on a potential fortune. And make sure to hit subscribe on the Old Chiller Coin 4 channel for more valuable coin discoveries. Let's jump in and find out if you're sitting on a $10,000 coin. The 1971 D. Kennedy $50, a historic coin with hidden value. The 1971 D. Kennedy $50 was minted to honor the late President John F. Kennedy, following his tragic assassination in 1963. While this coin was made in large quantities and was primarily used in circulation, a few rare errors have made this coin extremely valuable to collectors. Most of the 1971 D. Kennedy $50 are worth only face value, but certain varieties have been known to fetch anywhere from $1,000 to over $10,000. Key error types that make the 1971 D. Kennedy $50 so valuable. The real excitement starts when we dive into the rare errors associated with the 1971 D. Kennedy $50. These errors can make certain coins worth much more than you might expect. Let's take a closer look. Double strike error. The double strike error happens when a coin is struck by the minting die more than once, creating a noticeable misalignment or doubling effect in the design. These coins are extremely rare and highly prized by collectors. A double strike 1971 D. Kennedy $50 could easily be worth $1,000 to $5,000 depending on its condition and how dramatic the double strike is. Off-center error. Another common error in the 1971 D. Kennedy $50 is the off-center strike, where the design is shifted due to a misalignment during the minting process. This type of error is often sought after by collectors, and off-center coins in good condition can command $1,000 to $3,000 or more. Clipped planchet error. A clipped planchet occurs when the metal planchet, the blank piece of metal used to strike a coin, is improperly cut or damaged before it is struck, resulting in a coin with a chunk missing from its edge. This is a very rare error that can make a 1971 D. Kennedy $50 worth $2,000 to $10,000 or even higher, depending on the severity of the clip. How to spot a rare 1971 D. Kennedy $50. It's crucial to know how to identify the rare 1971 D. Kennedy $50 errors. Look for the following signs. Double strike coins will have visible doubling on the design, often on the date or lettering. Are you ready for a coin that could be worth $10,000 or more? That's right, today, we're uncovering one of the rarest and most valuable coins in American history, the 1976 Bicentennial Quarter dollar. Some of these coins have been known to fetch jaw-dropping amounts at auctions, and there's a chance you could have one sitting in your collection right now. Stick around to the end of this video to discover how to spot a $1,000 to $10,000 coin, and don't forget to hit subscribe to the Old Chiller Coin 4 channel for more mind-blowing coin discoveries. Let's dive into the Bicentennial Quarter that could make you a fortune. The 1976 Bicentennial Quarter, a historic coin with huge value potential. The 1976 Bicentennial Quarter was minted to celebrate the United States' 200th anniversary of independence. The design on the back features the famous image of the Liberty Bell and the 13 stars, symbolizing the original 13 colonies. While most of these quarters were made in massive quantities and are worth just face value, certain error versions have become incredibly rare and sought after by collectors. The rare and valuable errors. What makes the 1976 Bicentennial Quarter truly exciting is the errors that were made during its production. These errors can make a coin worth $1,000 to $10,000 or even more. Here are some of the rarest error types you need to know about. Double strike error. A double strike occurs when the coin is struck twice, resulting in a doubled image. This error is highly sought after, and a double-struck 1976 Bicentennial Quarter could fetch anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 or more. Off-center strike. An off-center strike happens when the coin is misaligned during the minting process, leaving part of the design off the coin. These are rare and could be worth between $1,000 to $3,000, depending on how far off-center the strike is. Clipped planchet. A clipped planchet occurs when the blank metal planchet, the piece of metal used to make the coin, is damaged before it struck, causing a chunk to be missing from the edge. A clipped 1976 Bicentennial Quarter could be worth $3,000 to $10,000, depending on the severity of the clip.